Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, it is completely normal for your phone to heat while charging, especially while you're using the fast charging. To minimize the heating, first close all the background apps. Then go into the settings and battery. We have the charging optimization right here and enable that. Then remember to use the original cable and the charger. Avoid using the phone while charging, just leave it on the nightstand, let it charge properly, especially do not play games. Then remove the case of your phone if you have any and charge in a cool and ventilated area. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.